closed offer. You can come get it right now. Everything must go.
Oh, what's this right here?
Boxy. Oh, that's the one my dad
I
had.
ain't seen that one out here before.
The Caprice. I ain't never seen that one. I ain't never even seen one like that done up and set. Besides the one my dad had on the 13s. And I was like, probably like 13, 12. You hear me? My dad had that car for hella long. Caprice, that's that nigga favorite car. Back at it, man. The 5.0. Give y'all a little baby cold starter when we got here. Nice body, nothing wrong with it. Nice little project to start with. Stay tuned, man. Tomorrow we headed to the wrecking yard. We'll get it from there.
We're getting a new top for the 50. Preferably peanut butter.
And 2 peanut butter and leather seats if they got them. If we could try to get them up at the gate. Y'all need to.
Yeah, we gotta get that together for sure.